Hey guys, thank you for tuning into another video. So today we're going to jump right into the video as we're going to be doing another unboxing. And as you can see down below, it's going to be another Fashionline unboxing. You guys really tend to enjoy that video and I enjoyed making that video for you guys. So Fashionline sent over some more goodies. All these here they sent over, and so we're gonna unbox them on camera, and I'm also going to tell you all about their Black Friday deals they have coming up. So if you are looking for a wholesale supplier, definitely stay tuned for this video. I think it's one you'll really enjoy. All right, so before we jump into the unboxing, I want to come and show you guys their website. So right now they do have a bunch of promotions on their website for Black Friday. The current promotion is free shipping, no minimum spend with a minimum order quantity of 2. Now it is only valid for the 15th through the 21st, so it may be a little bit too late, but there are a bunch of other promos in which you can take part in. They have current things such as 10 off of $150, 20 off of $250, 35 off of $350, 60 off of $600, and they've done a ton of markdowns for their spring and summer items up to 40%. So definitely take a look at their website. They have a bunch of cute items that you can definitely stock up on now for the spring and summer that's coming aboard. So definitely take a look at that. Also on their website, they do have a calendar of their events that are going to be taking place the week of Black Friday. So the 15th through the 21st, again, free shipping, no minimum spend. It might be a little too late, but you can definitely start on the 22nd with their spring and summer items up to 50% off. The 24th to the 26th, their Black Friday. They're going to have a minimum order quantity of we don't know. So definitely check out their website starting the 24th to see what that minimum order quantity is. And then on Cyber Monday, the 29th, they have items starting as low as $2. So definitely take the time out to go and check out their website. They do have some really good items at a really good price right now. Again, I do have the link down below for you all to click on. All you do is click on that. It'll take you right over to their website and you can instantly begin to take part in their Black Friday sale. All right, you guys. So like I said, we're going to jump right into this video. First and foremost, again, we're going to be unboxing with Fashionline. If you're not familiar with them, definitely check out a previous video I did with them recently. I'll put the link somewhere on the screen here for you guys to go and check that out. That's definitely going to give you more of a background as to who they are as a company and what they have to offer and how to go about ordering and things like that. So definitely look for that link somewhere on this screen here and check out that video if you want to know more about the company as a whole. All right, so we're going to jump right into this because I know you guys are waiting and ready to see what they sent over now. And this one, I didn't pick the items. They did send over just some items for me to do some unboxing, and I think all of the items for the most part are athleisure wear. So if you're looking to get like a workout company or have like athleisure wear or sell workout clothes, definitely stay tuned because they have some really cute pieces in here. Even if you're not selling it, still watch the video because you can definitely see the quality and what they have to offer as a company, or go check out my other video if you want to see a variety of different items. But nevertheless, I'm going to jump right into it. I will put up somewhere in the screen again a video of me trying it on for you guys so that way you guys can see the quality and see what it looks like on a body. Here are the items again that they sent over. So I'm really going to just start pulling items out of here and seeing what they look like. So this one, I'm trying to match them up because some of these are like, well, majority of these are like sets. So I want to make sure I pull the right, because I did go through here and kind of look at them because I was really curious to see. And I've been like on this whole workout thing. I don't know if you guys follow me on social media, but I've been posting some of my workouts and stuff. So this was like perfect timing for me because I need workout clothes. So this is the first one. I opened it up just a few moments ago, but this is how it came packaged. And I'm just going to pull it out here for you guys. So this one is a 2-piece set. Again, it's activewear, athleisure wear. It's a 2-piece. It comes with the sports bra, and this is really good quality. As you can see, look at that. It's very good quality. The seams are beautiful. It's padded, but what I like about this is that you can remove the pads because I hate padded bras. I hate them so much, but I'm going to remove them. Have the matching leggings, and this is what they look like. Super stretchy, which I really enjoy as well. This does have the little ruching on the booty, so that's cute because that always accentuates the booty to make it look good. And then it just has the sizing in here. This is size medium. But yeah, the overall really good quality. So this is another 2-piece set. It came in 2 different bags. I already opened. I was actually going to wear this yesterday. I went out to the gym, but I was like, you know what, let me wait and do the video first. Really nice, strong waistband on here, super stretchy. And then it has like this ombre gradient effect on there, which is really cute. And then it has this piece to hug the ankles, which I like this as well. And so this is what they look like. for them. This is the top, which I really like the top because it's a long sleeve top and it has that same ombre gradient effect. But it's long sleeve because it's getting ready to be cooler outside. So I can just wear this straight to the gym and still be warm. So I really like this. Really stretchy, super stretchy, really good quality. Like I said, all the seams are beautifully done. I really do appreciate that. It has a nice band at the bottom of this one. Oh, it has like a, this one has like a ruching on there as well on that, so that's cute. I don't know what that's gonna do, but maybe it makes the waist look smaller. I don't know, I've never seen that, so that's really cute. But what I was saying, it has a really nice band at the bottom as well, so it'll actually hug to you, so it's not just free flowing, it'll actually hug to your body. So this is really, oh, this goes on the back. That's the back, that's the back, and that's the front. So that's really cute. We're gonna keep pulling out of this box because there's a lot in this box. So the next one is going to be yet another set here. That's what it looks like. And I really like these because I'm not huge on color, if you guys haven't realized that, or about my social medias. I'm not big on color. So I'm glad they realized that because I'm not big on like bright pinks. There are some bright ones in here, I'm not gonna say that there's not, but for the majority of them, they are like pretty modest colors that I like. So this one's really cute. I didn't even see this detail. So this is what the top looks like. Another long sleeve, which again, I'm happy. But it has like a little ruching in the front here. So I kind of like that. This is what it looks like. This one has some detail on there. That looks really nice. Nice detail. And this one has something I really love. It has little fingers for your thumb to go in there, which I like that as well. But yes, overall, very nice quality. That's what the back looks like. Oh, it has the little details on the front too. So really nice details and quality on this piece here. I really like this one. And then it comes with the bottoms. Again, a very nice strong waistband. I don't know if you guys see it, pull it back. This one has some more ruching to the butt part, the booty. Some nice little ruching on the back here. Oh, this one is really cute because I really like this detail on here. Nice little stripes. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a really cute detail. And we're gonna keep pulling because there's still so much in there. The next thing I have is some color for you guys. So this one's a colored one. This one's in a nice purple color. We'll start with the top again. I think this one's kind of similar to that first one. So this one's kind of similar to the first one with the razorback bra, sports bra, which is really cute. And again, you can pull the padding out if you don't like padding like myself. Nice strong band on here. So this is what this looks like. And then the bottom, this one, same thing. Nice cute little simple pair, nice strong waistband, which I love because this was what sucks in the tummy. So I really like these strong, so I keep emphasizing these strong bands because this is what you want, especially if you're wearing like a two-piece like that. This will hold in the tummy while you're working out, and so you can be cute but still be working out. So yeah, this one. It has like a nice little, very subtle details on this one, which is really cute. To accentuate the butt area. I seen a girl actually on Instagram not too long ago with something like this. This is cute. Makes the butt look nice and plump. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's really cute. I still got more. I think I got 3 more in here. It's crazy how much they got in this box. This is a nice little white and gold set here. Kind of like a little bit of a snake print in there as well. It's white and gold. This is really light, which I like this one. Still that nice strong band to give you the tummy coverage. There you go. Now you can see it a little bit of what it looks like. A nice little gold, like gold snake metallic type of print, which is really cute. It does have the accent on the booty again, or the scrunching on the booty. And then there's that. And then this one is another crossbody, razorback bralette or bra, sports bra. Again, it has the padding on there so that can be removed. Really nice really nice beige. And this one has like the breathable like material in the back, which I like, because I don't know if you guys can see it up close, but it does have like little holes in it for like that breathable mesh type thing, which I like that, so it won't be so sticky. Then 2 more pieces. So again, like I said, this is all workout outfits, which I'm not mad at because they have really good quality workout outfits. So this one's really festive. It's like a Hawaiian print, so we're gonna see what's in here. So this one's another 2-piece set. This one's a different type of sports bra on the back, the way that it's cut. So there's really nice. This one's a nice strong band as well. I don't know why I'd be so fascinated with strong bands, but I like the cut of this one because it's a little bit different of a cut. So it's a different, it's like a high cut here. So this one's really, really cute. It's a little busy for my liking, but it's really, really cute. And then this one, again with the pants, these are really soft. Like, these are super soft. They're all super soft, but these are like really soft. So this is what this looks like. Very well made, just a simple pair of leggings. And then we have one more that they sent me. So I told you guys, like all workout outfits. I think it's what, like 6 or 7 workout outfits. They're long sleeve one, I think. This one's, oh, this is pretty cool. So this is what the top looks like. Oh, this is really cool. This one has a lot of detail work going on it. This is what it looks like. Lots of details. I'll show you guys the back. A lot of details on there, which is really, really cute. And it's really stretchy. It's nice and like, it's not thick where it's hot thick, but it's a nice thick quality material that's still breathable. And this one, oh yeah, these one, it's like a mesh type thing, so it's very breathable. And then again, it does have the finger hole. So this one's really dope. This one is very well made, a lot of details, which I like. I wonder if the back is like this. Oh, it is. So this is very, all this is going to be very breathable when you're working out because of the way the material is. So there's the top for that, pants, and pretty much the back. So pretty much they match the design of, these are really cute. Like, there's so much detail in these that I really like these. They just match the top here. So these are all the outfits in which they sent over to me. All right guys, so those are the items in which I was sent over. Again, I know it's a lot of athleisure wear, but again, check out my previous video if you were interested in seeing a variety of different items in which they have to offer. I think there's like sweaters, I have some dresses, I think there was like I had a hoodie, a jacket, so it was a bunch of different things, but definitely check out the other video if you were interested in seeing other items. Again, they are having their Black Friday sale, in which I will put a link down below for you guys if you want to go and explore and shop on their website. Right, guys, so if you guys have any questions pertaining to the video, definitely leave them down below. If you have any recommendations in regards to what type of content you would like to see from me, definitely put that down below for you, for me as well. I definitely read through my comments, and I would love to see what it is that you guys want more content on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave them down below. And thank you all so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.